I'm going to show you how easy it is to grade student projects using Orange Slice. So I've already created the rubric and it's attached to my assignment in Google Classroom. I currently am in WeVideo signed in as a student, and the student is going to turn her video right into Google Classroom. And I'm going to show you how easy that is. She's just going to click on the Google Classroom. I'm also logged in, so let me make sure that it's the student that's turning it in. And she's going to choose the classroom and choose the assignment. Then she's going to attach it to the assignment, and now she's going to view it, and it takes her right in to her Google Classroom to her assignment. There are two things here that are attached. The first is the rubric that I already put together, and the second is the link to the video. So she's going to turn that in. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like from the teacher's end. Okay, we have 12 students that have the video finished and turned in. It's not due until tomorrow, so I can go ahead and start grading. And I'll just pull up the first student here. And I'm going to look at Joe's video, but since you're probably not interested in that right now, we'll pretend we looked at Joe's video, and I'm going to go into the rubric. Now this could be an essay where I've just added the rubric to the top or the bottom. So I'm going to go to my add-ons, and then I'm going to score the rubric. And this is what I think is so neat. The rubric that I have pre-created pops up. And these are guidelines that were mandated by the state. They had to describe strategies, tactics, techniques on their activity. So I'm going to say, okay, he's included those all. Excellent. Then it's going to pop up to the next one. Did they do the preparation, execution, and follow through? And you can see how these grades are weighted. This is the most important point, so it's weighted 35%. He did okay. He did the detail on 3 of the expected elements. Then the students were supposed to analyze the body position, contact, or release point. He did very good on that. And then they were supposed to come up with a practice plan. Okay, he was missing one thing there. And his works cited was perfect. Okay, now what I would do is process the grade. And you can see over here it pops up. He received 84 points or 93%. So I'm going to go back into my grades, and Joe got a 84 out of 90. So then I would just go to the next student, Dylan, pull up his, pull up the rubric, and grade his. Now, I will tell you that the first time I did this, it took me a really, really long time. I probably spent 8 hours on this rubric because I wasn't doing it right. And by trial and error, I figured out how to correctly do this. I couldn't find some really good directions out there. So if you're interested in using Orange Slice for a rubric, go ahead and play the next section, and I'll give you step-by-step directions. Thanks. Bye-bye.